Hopefully you guys have the same feeling also. Okay. All right. So hopefully I find you guys today in a good condition, okay, healthy, happy, and ready to learn together with the rest of the class. Okay. So today we are going to learn the new chapter, guys. Give me one moment. Which is chapter 11. Okay. Chapter 11. Okay. Allow me to share the screen first. All right. So this is what we are going to learn tonight. Right. So this is chapter 11. Talking about formal conversation, guys. Okay. So before I give you guys the turn to do the role play, just allow me to do this conversation really quick so you guys can have the idea how to pronounce it, and then also the intonation on doing this conversation. Okay, this conversation, let's check the situation. It's which is Jane, Leslie, and Mary are having lunch at the restaurant. Since they will have to give a presentation on etiquette rules next week, they try to practice by talking very formally to each other. All right. Leslie, may I borrow your cell phone to call my mother after we finish lunch? Yes, of course, Jane. And please, do not forget to ask your mother whether you may go to the movies with us afterwards. Jane, could you pass the salt, please? Sure, here you are. And the pepper too, please. Thank you. You are welcome. Would both of you mind if I stop by Marcus bookstore on our way to the movie? No, not at all. I would love to look at their new book selection, so I would like to stop there also. Would both of you like to go shopping after the movie? Maybe some other time. I need to be home by 5 o'clock. I can go with you if you want. That would be great. I need to pick up a gift for my brother. His birthday is on Sunday next week. What would you recommend, Mary? Just a moment, please. Let me think. Maybe a fishing pole since he loves fishing. What a clever suggestion. My brother will thank me for the lovely gift. I hope there is a fishing store in the mall. I ordered too many French fries. Would anybody care for some? Yes, I would like some. How about you, Mary? No, thank you. I have enough food already. Leslie, would you like some of my fried rice? Yes, please. Just a little bit. Here you go. Oh, that is enough. No more, please. Mary, did you remember to bring my Harry Potter book? Oh, I'm sorry. I completely forgot about it. Could you call to remind me again tonight? Certainly. If you do not mind, may I borrow the book after you are done with it? I promised to let John borrow it after I get it back from Mary. You are welcome to have it once John is finished. John is a fast reader. He will finish it in no time. I, on the other hand, am a pretty slow reader. How long do you think I may keep it? I already read it, so you may keep it as long as you want. Give it back to me at your earliest convenience. Thank you, Jane. That will save me some money. Are you all done? We should leave now to catch the next show, otherwise we will be late. I am ready anytime you are, so am I. Shall we go? All right. That's the conversation between those three friends. Okay. Now let me translate really quick. Okay. In bahasa, so that way you guys can have a little bit idea, and then that way it's gonna help you with your intonation. Okay. Nah, Jane, Leslie, dan Mary sedang makan siang di restoran. Mereka berusaha untuk berbicara secara formal terhadap saling berbicara secara formal karena mereka akan memberikan suatu presentasi tentang sopan santun cara berbicara minggu depan. And kemudian Jane berkata, Leslie, apakah saya bisa meminjam teleponmu untuk menelpon ibu saya setelah kita selesai makan siang? Kemudian Leslie berkata, oh ya, tentu saja Jane. Dan mohon, do not forget to ask. Mohon jangan lupa untuk menanyakan ibumu apakah kamu bisa pergi ke bioskop dengan kita setelah selesai makan. Kemudian Mary berkata, Jane, tolong berikan saya tolong berikan saya garam. Oh, tentu saja ini. Kemudian Mary berkata, juga sekalian dengan mericanya. Terima kasih. Sama-sama. Apakah kalian berdua keberatan jika saya mampir di toko buku Marcus dalam perjalanan ke bioskop? Oh, tidak sama sekali. Saya sangat ingin melihat buku their new book selection. Oke, saya ingin melihat buku-buku di rak ya. Itu so in the store they're gonna have this new book selection means this is the rack full of all the new books, maybe bi-weekly or by monthly there. Okay, so Mary berkata saya ingin melihat bagian buku-buku baru mereka. Jadi saya mau singgah di sana juga. Oke. Kemudian yang berkata, apakah kalian berdua mau pergi shopping setelah menonton? Kemudian Leslie berkata, mungkin lain kali saya harus sampai di rumah. Jam 5. Kemudian Mary berkata, saya bisa pergi denganmu jika kamu mau. Kemudian Jane berkata, wah, that would be great. Ide wah, sangat menyenangkan. Saya perlu membeli hadiah untuk adik saya karena adik saya ulang tahunnya itu minggu depan, hari Minggu depan. Okay. And then Jane bertanya kepada Mary, apakah kamu apa rekomendasi hadiah ya menurutmu? Kemudian Mary berkata, just a moment please. Tunggu sebentar, coba saya pikirkan. Oke, mungkin perlengkapan fishing. Perlengkapan memancing. Memancing karena dia kan suka memancing. Kemudian yang berkata, wah, sungguh ide yang sangat bagus. Adik saya pasti sangat berterima kasih kepada saya, akan sangat berterima kasih untuk hadiahnya yang sangat menyenangkan. Saya berharap ada toko yang menjual perlengkapan memancing di mall. And then Leslie berkata, saya memesan terlalu banyak kentang goreng. Apakah kalian mau? Jane berkata, ya saya mau sedikit. Kemudian Leslie bertanya pada Mary, bagaimana denganmu Mary? Mary berkata, oh tidak, terima kasih, saya sudah cukup makan. Saya sudah cukup makanannya. Oke. Kemudian Jane menawarkan kepada Leslie, apakah kamu mau nasi goreng saya? Kemudian Leslie berkata, ya, ya sedikit saja. Oke. Kemudian Leslie berkata, here you go. Kemudian here you go means ini, like kalau bahasa Indonesia ini. Okay. When you handing something to someone, you can here you go. Jadi saat kita memberikan sesuatu kepada orang, kita bisa berkata dengan menggunakan kata here you go. Oke. Oke. Oh, kemudian Desi berkata, oke, itu sudah cukup. Oke. Cukup. Kemudian Jane berkata, Mary, apakah kamu ingat apakah kamu ingat membawa buku Harry Potter saya? Mary berkata, oh sorry, saya lupa. Apakah kamu bisa telepon saya nanti malam untuk mengingatkanku? Kemudian Jane berkata, oh tentu saja, certainly. Oke, Leslie berkata, gimana? Kalau kamu tidak keberatan, apakah saya bisa pinjam buku Harry Potter setelah borrow the book after you are done with it? Apakah bisa saya pinjam buku Harry Potter itu setelah kamu selesai membacanya? Kemudian Jane berkata, saya sudah berjanji untuk meminjamkannya kepada John setelah setelah Mary mengembalikannya. Kamu bisa meminjamnya setelah John selesai membacanya. John itu seorang pembaca yang John itu bacanya sangat cepat. Jadi dia akan menyelesaikannya dalam waktu yang singkat. Kemudian Leslie berkata, saya di sisi lain adalah seorang pembaca yang sangat lambat. Kira-kira berapa lama saya bisa meminjamnya? Kemudian Jane berkata, saya sudah membacanya. Jadi kamu bisa meminjamnya selama yang kamu inginkan. Bisa mengembalikannya setelah kamu selesai membaca. Oke, thank you Jane. Kemudian Leslie berkata, terima kasih Jane. Itu akan sangat that will save me some money. Itu akan menghemat saya untuk tidak membeli buku Harry Potter tersebut maksudnya. Oke. And then Mary berkata, apakah kita sudah selesai? Kita harus segera pergi. Kita harus segera pergi untuk menonton Catch the Next Show. Menonton film berikutnya. Maksudnya schedule untuk the schedule for the next movie, oke? Kita harus berangkat sekarang untuk menonton schedule berikutnya, oke? Kalau tidak kita akan telat. I'm ready anytime you are. Leslie berkata saya siap kapanpun. Kemudian Jane berkata saya juga. Shall we go? Apakah kita pergi sekarang? Okay. Alright. Shall we go? It's like let's go. Okay. Oke, jadi itu kira-kira terjemahan singkatnya dan juga sudah the sample of the pronunciation. Now it's your guys' turn. Okay. Okay. So, this conversation is happening between three people, but the sentences is pretty short. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I'll have Nani. Nani, you are doing Jane's dialect number 1 until number 5. Okay. And then Leslie will be done by Jennifer. Jennifer, you are doing Leslie's dialects number 1 until number 3. And then Hadisha, you are doing Mary's number 1 until number 4. Mr. Amin is doing Jane number 6 until number 9. 6, 7, 8, 9 for Mr. Amin, Jane. And then JJ, you are doing Mary's dialogue number 5 until number 8. And then Miss Suchi is doing Leslie number 4 until number 7. I have 2 more spots available. Okay, meanwhile, let me repeat for you guys, okay? Nani is doing Jane's dialogue number 1 until number 5. Jennifer is doing Leslie, dialogue number 1 until number 3. Hadisha is doing Mary's number 1 until number 4. Mr. Amin is doing Jane's number 6 until number 9. JJ is doing Mary's number 5 until number 8. Misuchi is doing Leslie's number 4 until number 7. Okay, 2 more, guys. Okay. New voices will be awesome. Okay. Anybody? I see Miss Fu here. Maybe she's not ready yet, huh? Okay, I have 2 more spots available, guys. On a really short sentences, okay? All right, so, all right, cool. I see Miss Fu. Miss Fu, I'll have you do it, Jane's dialect number 10 until number 15. Miss Fu is doing Jane's dialect number 10 until 15. 1 more spots. Leslie's number 8 until 11. Who's here? Anybody? New voice? New voices will be excited. Okay, 1 more, guys. All right, so, well, it's Leslie. Let me check. Leslie's number 8 until number 11. Leslie's number 8. Leslie's short has the short replies. Okay, look. Leslie's number 8 until 11. Short. Okay. I give you. Okay, since nobody else, then I'll assign it to Nani then, huh? Okay, where we can move on. All right, so Nani, you are doing Jane's number 1 until number 5, plus Leslie's dialect number 8 until 11. All right, let me unmute you guys.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening,
Good
Nani.
evening, Miss
Nani, so
Susan.
good evening, Jane.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Mr. Amin. How you guys doing?
Bye, Miss.
All right,
I'm
awesome.
doing fine, Miss.
Okay, who's talking? Who was talking?
Mr. Amin and me.
Who's
Good
me?
evening,
Oh,
Miss.
Jennifer. Okay.
Good
All right.
evening, Miss.
Perfect.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening,
Good
Miss Suchi. Long time
evening.
no see.
Yes, long time no see. How
But
are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Sometimes I'm still on the road.
Oh, still on the road home.
Yeah.
Okay. On the way home, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. But try to review on the YouTube that on the YouTube of New Normal Learning Center. That way you can learn. You don't
Yes.
fall
Yes,
behind.
always, Miss.
Okay, perfect. Okay, okay, guys. So
Good evening, Miss.
Nani, You are doing James number 1 until number 5 and Leslie 8 until 11. Okay, you got it?
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, let me pull this. Second. All right, guys. Time is yours.
Leslie, may I borrow your cell phone to call my mother after we finish lunch?
Yes, of course, Jen. And please, do not forget to ask your mother whether you may to go to the movies with us afterward.
Jen, could you pass the sound, please?
Sure, here you are.
And the paper too, please. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Would both of you mind if I stop by Marcus bookstore on our way to the movie?
No, not
No,
at all.
I would love to look at their new book selection, so I would like to stop there also.
What? Would both of you like to go shopping after the movie?
Maybe some other time. I need to be home by 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
I can go with you if you want.
That would be great. I need to pick up a gift for my brother. His birthday is on Sunday next week. What would you recommend, Mary?
Just a moment, please. Let me think. Maybe a fishing pole since he loves fishing.
What a clever suggesting. My brother will thank me for the love gift. I hope there is a fishing store in the mall.
I ordered too many French fries. Would anybody care for some?
Yes, I would like some.
How about you, Mary?
No, thank you. I have enough food already.
Leslie, would you like some of my fried rice?
Yes, please. Just a little bit.
Here you go.
Oh, that is enough. No more, please.
Mary, did you remember to bring my Harry Potter book?
Oh, I'm sorry. I completely forget about it. Could you call to remind me again tonight?
Certainly.
If you do not mind, may I borrow the book after you are done with it?
I promise to let John borrow it after I get it back from Mary. You are welcome to have it once John is finished. John is a fast reader. He will finish it in no time.
I, on the other hand, am a pretty slow reader. How long do you think I may keep it?
I already read it, so you may keep it as long as you want. Give it back to me at your earliest convenience.
Thank you, Jen. That will save me some money.
Are we all done? We should leave now to catch the next show. Otherwise, we will be late.
I'm ready anytime you are.
So am I. Shall we go?
All right, very simple, right, guys? Okay. Okay. Just a few words I need to emphasize and remind you guys. Okay. Lastly. Afterwards. Okay. So guys, pay attention to the underline, okay? There. All right, underline. Okay, this word here is afterwards. Afterwards. Setelah, okay? Dalam bahasa Indonesianya setelah. And please do not forget to ask your mother whether you may go to the movies with us afterwards. Okay, afterwards setelah. Okay, so I go to the market. I pick up. I drop off my kids to school, and then I go to the market afterwards. Okay, that's afterwards. Setelah. So the first you're gonna ask your mother whether first the first action is go to the movies first. Okay, then afterwards with us afterwards. Okay. Whether you may go to the after with us afterwards. Don't forget us. Setelah, maksudnya setelah dari lunch. So they're doing lunch right now, right? They're having lunch. So Leslie have Jane. Yes, of course, Jane. Okay, have Jane ask the mother if she can go to the movies with them after having lunch. Okay, jadi di sini afterwards itu setelah, ya. And then it's a quite there's quite often being used of the words afterwards. Okay, and then Jane number, here you go, guys. Okay, Jane number 6. Okay, it's birthday. Okay, a lot of our people here, they instead of birthday, it says births. It's not S, okay? It's birth, TH, okay? So when you pronounce the TH, your tongue is gonna be between the top and the bottom teeth. Birthday. So it's birthday. His birthday is on Sunday next week instead of births. A lot of people say birthday, okay, birthday. No. So the tongue is in between top and bottom teeth. Jadi saat pengucapan birthday itu lidahnya akan seperti terjepit antara gigi atas dan gigi bawah. TH, okay? Birthday, okay? His birthday is on Sunday. So once it's already in between the top and bottom teeth, and then it's gonna pronounce it as really quite right. Birthday. Okay. So keep on practicing that, and then you should be fine. Okay, birthday, and then I have J number 7. What a clever suggestion. Okay, suggestion sini adalah kata benda. It's a noun. When the verb is suggest. Suggestion. All right. What a clever suggestion. All right. Ide yang bagus, like that, okay, artinya. And then, okay, let me underline this. Suggestion, okay, that way you guys can improve it on the following weeks, okay, for the underlined words. Next, I have Leslie, number 9, guys. Leslie, number 9. All right, Leslie number 9. All right, this, guys. Pretty. All right, pretty, pretty the face, pretty, and here is pretty slow reader means two, okay? I am very, okay? Di sini pretty, okay. Kata pretty itu mempunyai dua makna, tergantung dari konteks kalimatnya. Okay, then here in this sentence, I, on the other hand, am a pretty slow reader. Okay, saya di sisi lain, so itu on the other hand, we're gonna explain the meaning of all the highlighted idioms and then sentences after this. Okay, saya di sisi lain adalah seorang pembaca yang sangat lambat. Okay, pembaca yang sangat lambat, maksudnya bacanya lambat banget begitu. Okay, now here is pretty. Okay, pretty here in this sentence means very. I am a very slow reader. Alright. Nah, kemudian ada yang pretty. Oh, the daughter is so pretty. Okay, she looks pretty. Okay, and then ada lagi she is pretty nice. Okay, that's very, okay, very nice. And then, now pretty, the daughter is pretty. Okay, pretty di sini artinya cantik. Okay, jadi ada kemungkinan artinya cantik atau ada kemungkinan berarti very, sangat. Okay, tapi untuk the pronunciation is still the same. Okay, guys. Okay, it's a pretty, pretty. Okay, not pretty. Okay, it's pretty. I, on the other hand, am a pretty slow reader. Okay, pretty. Okay, remember that, guys. Pretty. She is pretty. All right. Next, I have Jane's number 14. All right, guys. Look, this sentence. I already read it. Okay, because it's not read. Remember when we have the verb read. Okay, read for the present tense, and then past tense is read. Read, read, read. Okay, now in this sentence here, I already. Oke, nah already ini menunjukkan kata tense yang digunakan adalah past tense. Oke. Jadi untuk kata read ini penulisannya sama. Oke, let me write it here. Jadi untuk kata read ini sama untuk present the spelling is the same. Okay, let me write it first. Okay, lihat. So it's read for the present tense. And then also spell it the same, okay? But you're gonna pronounce differently. Read, okay? Read, read, read. Okay, this is for the past tense. Okay, and then we have the past participle yang biasanya digunakan untuk kalimat past for perfect tense. Okay, it's also pronounced spelling the same for perfect tense. Okay, now that's it. Read, read, read. Now, since this sentence use already, nah itu adalah salah satu clue untuk past tense. So we're gonna pronounce this as read instead of read. Okay, I already read it. Okay, So you may keep it as long as you want. Oke. Jadi saya sudah membacanya. Oke, saya sudah membacanya. Itu adalah kalimat past tense, oke. Jadi kalimat past tense langsung klik in your subconscious that you are going to pronounce that as a read, okay, instead of read. Okay, so that the one is, and then another one here. Okay, these guys. All right. Give it back to me at your earliest convenience. Earliest. Okay. Nah, earliest ini adalah menunjukkan kalimat early. The main word is early. Early, earlier, earliest. Oke. Jadi ini adalah kalimat perbandingan yang I totally forget the name, okay? Tapi perbandingan. Jadi it's you gonna pronounce that as earliest, at your earliest convenience, okay? Jadi bisa kembalikan ke saya secepatnya. Maksudnya setelah dia selesai, secepatnya saat kamu selesai membaca. Okay, so that's it, guys. Very simple for you guys. Okay, now that's the conversation, the role plays. Now we'll move on to the expression. Okay, as I believe you guys already get the PDF on the group, right? Here you go. Okay. There, okay, I'm going to explain it a little bit really quick so you guys have a better understanding on it, okay? Now, here, pass the salt, please. Oke, ini ada menunjukkan suatu permintaan untuk mengambil salt, garam yang ada di dekat kita ya. Misalnya, Mr. Amin is telling me, no, I tell Mr. Amin like this. Pass the salt, please. And then I told him that, and then mean the salt is nearby his wherever he is now, and then I have him handing it to me. Okay. Now we have this second one. Here you are. Okay. Nah, pass the salt itu bahasa Indonesianya kira-kira tolong ambilkan garamnya. Now the salt has to be nearby, not in you're sitting here and then the salt is somewhere else. Okay, that's a different one, not using the past. Okay, so when you use in the past, the salt means it's maybe it's around your reach like that. Jadi dalam letaknya garam ini masih dalam jangkauan tangan kita ya. Jadi you don't move your body to get the salt. Okay. Now the second one we have here, here you are. Ini adalah menunjukkan ini adalah suatu it's an idiom said when handing something over to someone or doing a favor to them. Oke, saat kita menyerahkan sesuatu kepada seseorang, oke, atau membantu seseorang, kita bisa mengucapkan here you are, oke. Saat kita memberikan sesuatu yang diminta, oke, oleh mereka, oke. Di sini let's see the example here. Could I have a glass of water, please? Of course. Here you are. Okay. Now, could you pass the sugar, please? Here you are. Okay. Jadi kita memberikan apa yang diminta oleh seseorang. Okay. And then we have, would you mind if? This is a polite way of asking for permission to do something. Okay. Jadi ini adalah cara kita untuk meminta seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. Okay. Dalam bahasa Indonesianya kira-kira apakah Anda keberatan bila saya bla bla bla? Okay. Now there are two ways to use the word mind here. You can use would you mind if blah blah blah. You're gonna use the past word, okay, the past tense, okay, and then do you mind if, then you're gonna use the present verb, okay. Let's see the example here. Would you mind if I turned on this light? Okay, we have this here. Okay, check this out, guys. When you use would, you're gonna use the turn here. Okay, past tense, because this is the would is the past tense of will. Meanwhile, when you use the do you mind if I sit here, you use the present tense. Okay, sit, because this is do here. Okay, now to reply to that request, you can use no, I don't mind. Oh tidak, saya tidak keberatan, means you allow them. Okay, you're fine if they're doing that. Would you mind if I turned on this light? No, go ahead. Apakah kamu keberatan bila saya menyalakan lampu ini? Oh tidak, saya silakan dinyalakan. Okay. And if you mind, bila keberatan, then you're gonna say, oh yes, I'm afraid it's too bright. Okay, like that. Okay, you can say yes, sorry, I'm afraid, or you can use it begin with you can use the, I'm afraid yes. Okay, that part. Do you mind if I sit here? I'm afraid yes, you can say that. Okay, oh yes. Okay, look the sample here. Would you mind if we set here? No, not at all. Do you mind if I use your phone? I'm afraid the battery is dead. So you refuse them to use your phone. Okay, not allowed. Okay. Now this we have on our way to. Okay, ini we use on the way of our. Okay, dalam perjalanan kita ke blah blah blah. Okay. Now let's see the example here. I was on my way to Peter's house when I met him in the street. Okay. And then also another meaning on our way to is also mean close to or on doing something. Okay. Brazil is on the way to becoming one of the world's strongest economies. Okay, on the way to becoming. Okay, okay, look at that. Okay, on the way here. Okay, to Peter's house, on the way to becoming one of the world's strongest economies. Now here, when you use for this purpose to meaning close to, then the verb you have to use the ing. Okay, the doing or completing. Okay, but in this case here, in this chapter, we're learning the meaning of that on the way means on the route, okay, on the direction, the path to somewhere. Dalam perjalanan. Jadi di chapter di bab ini kita mempelajari yang artinya dalam perjalanan menuju ke rumah Peter, saya bertemu dengannya di jalan. Okay. Next, I would be glad to, and it's an expression of enthusiasm or willingness to help. Okay, menunjukkan kerelaan, okay, untuk membantu. I would be glad to help with the project if you need an extra pair of hands. Okay, with a president like him, I would be glad to pay my taxes. Right. Maybe some other time. Mungkin lain kali. Kayak kira-kira bahasa Indonesia punya begitu. Mungkin lain kali. That would be great. Use when you're speculating about something wonderful that hasn't yet happened. Okay. Indicating uncertainty. Okay. Jadi that would be great. Wah, akan sangat menyenangkan, like that. Okay. Nah, tapi di sini kata would itu akan menunjukkan bahwa sesuatu itu karena belum terjadi. Jadi ini sesuatu yang belum pasti. Okay. Let's go out for lunch. That would be great. What would you recommend? Okay. When it's used when you want to ask an expert to help you in choosing something. Okay, when like at the restaurant, you can ask the waiter to tell you what is the best seller. Okay, what's the items that's most requested. Okay, then you can ask them. Okay, what would you recommend? Apa kira-kira rekomendasinya? Okay. Just a moment, please. Adalah satu cara untuk it's a way to ask someone to wait. Okay, untuk meminta seseorang untuk menunggu. Okay, menunggu maksudnya menunggu untuk tapi dalam waktu yang singkat. Okay. And then a very clever suggestion adalah suatu pujian, okay, bahwa terhadap ide yang diberikan. Would anybody care for some? Adalah cara untuk menawarkan sesuatu. Would you care for some coffee? Instead of just asking, do you want some coffee? You guys can use this sentence. Okay. Would you care for some coffee? Okay, it's another way. Certainly, it's used to replay completely, to emphasize something and show that there is no doubt about it, and also used when agreeing or disagreeing strongly to a request. Okay. Jadi ini dalam bahasa Indonesianya tentu saja artinya ya. Could you lend me $10? Certainly, tentu saja. Okay. Nah, dalam kalimat itu, then next one, tapi itu yang digunakan dalam chapter ini, dalam bab ini adalah yang berarti tentu saja. Tapi dalam konteks kalimat yang kedua ini, certainly ini berarti yang berbeda. The design certainly looks good on paper. Oke, menunjukkan sesuatu itu agree, okay, some agreeing, okay, means desainnya certainly, okay, sangat kelihatan bagus di atas kertas, okay, so you certainly you just showing that you agree, like that, okay. A fast reader is a person who has the ability to read above 500 words per minute. Oke, jadi kemampuan membacanya itu ada 500 kata per menit. Ya, setiap menitnya. Oke. Nah, kemudian slow reader itu kemampuan membacanya adalah 250 kata, kurang dari 250 kata per menit. Depends on the language, okay? Finish in no time, maksudnya cepat selesainya. Okay, we have this on the chapter 9, I believe. On the other hand, it's used to introduce a contrasting point of view. Okay, jadi ini on the other hand itu adalah untuk menunjukkan suatu kebalikan dari sebelumnya. Okay. Let's see the example here. Ada sinonimnya yaitu however, in contrast, or conversely. Being a child star is bittersweet. On one hand, you're loved by millions, But on the other hand, you're forever remembered for what you did years ago. Oke, jadi ini. Jadi ini adalah sesuatu kebalikannya. Menjadi seorang bintang anak ada manis adalah bittersweet. Menjadi seorang bintang anak ada pengalaman yang menyenangkan dan tidak menyenangkan. Di satu sisi kamu dicintai oleh banyak orang, tetapi di sisi lain, nah itu, okay. So one side you're loved, okay, and when you use the word on the other side, that's gonna be the opposite of the first sentence, okay. You're forever remembered for what you did years ago, okay. Now here the word on the other hand you can use conversely, okay, and contrastly, okay, so like that. That's jadi suatu kebalikan dari loved by the millions, okay. Now the word the next one is at your earliest convenience, means as soon as one can do it without any difficulties. Jadi secepatnya, okay. Please call me at your earliest convenience, okay. Catch a movie means to visit the cinema and watch a movie. So am I, meaning I am also or I am too, okay. Mom is wearing a red dress, so am I. Tina is a teacher, so am I, okay. This mom is wearing a red dress and I am wearing a red dress also. Or I am wearing a red dress too. Oke, saya juga dalam bahasa Indonesianya begitu ya. And then I think that's the end. Yes. All right, so that's the end of the expression of this chapter, guys. Okay, so we have 7 minutes. Let's move. You guys have any question about the expression? Otherwise, let's move on to the other one. Let me share this. Okay, that's the expression I already. Okay, so this right here, after expression we have this position. All right, okay, let's have this practice here. Okay. Hold on. 6, 8, 10, 13. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Okay. So we'll do this. Really quick. How you guys can answer this. Okay. And then next week we'll continue with the discussion. do you call comprehension test and then the discussion. Okay. All right. So let's do this. Practice really quick. Okay. So I'll have Nalita doing the what's this, greetings. The greetings that's numbered in red. Okay. I'll have Nalita doing greetings number 1 until number hold on. Number 1 until number 4, Nalita, okay? And then Miss Suci doing the answer number 1 until number 4. Hadisha is doing greeting number 5 until number 9. JJ is doing answer number 5 until number 9. And then, okay, and then question 10 until 13 is done by Miss Fu. And then answer 10 until 13 by Mr. Amin, okay? Allow me to unmute you guys.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Nalita. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Miss. I'm sorry, just now I didn't practice conversation practice because there is background sound.
Okay, you can practice later afterwards, okay?
Okay, Miss.
All right, guys. Time is yours. Start with Nalita, I guess, huh?
Okay. May I introduce myself? I'm Jonathan. Continue, Miss.
No, who was that? Are supposed to. Who's that? Was it not JJ or Hadisha? Huh?
I think
JJ.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Laura.
Hello, Kevin. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good to see you. Anna, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Karen, this is John, our new employee.
John, welcome aboard.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Could you please do me a favor and give Mike a call?
I would be glad to give Mike a call.
Could you come back after work, please?
Yes, certainly.
Would you like some coffee?
Fine, huh? Was it Mr. Amin?
I'm 10.
Oh, you 10. Okay,
10
thank you for
green.
your offer, but I do not drink coffee. Okay, next. Question 10 until 13.
Excuse me, would you mind repeating that?
Not at all.
Could you give me a hand to move this desk, please?
Yes, certainly.
May I help you?
Thank you for your help.
May I have a word with you, please?
Yes, Karen.
All right, guys. So these are a different way for you guys to ask and then answer differently from the conversation, guys. Okay, that's another option for you guys. Okay, so let's see, like here. Could you give me a hand to move this desk, please? Yes, certainly. And then you here, number 5 and 6. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. And then also you can answer it, my pleasure. Right, guys? So this is actually a extra knowledge for you guys beside the conversation on the dialogue there. Okay, the dialogue on the role plays there, that's a differently. Okay, so extra for you guys, and remember, and then you guys can use it. Okay, like this. Karen, this is John, our new employee. John, welcome aboard. Okay, look, how you doing? I'm doing fine. Okay, how are you? I'm fine. Okay, so different way. Okay, guys. So next week we'll do the comprehension test. Please review again the conversation and then try to answer the comprehension test, and then continue with the discussion. Okay, guys? So thank you for joining the class tonight, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Okay, hopefully you learned something new today and then useful in your life, guys. Okay, have a great week. I'll see you guys
Thank you,
next
Miss.
week.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Bye.
Thank you.